Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today, our topic is kinematic equations of motion by using calculus method. How we derive these kinematic equations by which method? Calculus method. Calculus means it by using what? Calculus जो होता है ये होती है बेटा study of differentiation, differentiation and integration by calculus means study of differentiation and integration. This means that by using the concept of differentiation and integration, हम लेते हैं बेटा concept किसका differentiation और integration का to find out the kinematic equations of the motion. Now, these kinematic equations of motion are valid. इनकी validity होती है. That is, we are assuming that body is having uniform acceleration, that is a is constant. क्या है बेटा? तो हमने ये माना है कि हम ये assume कर रहे हैं kinematic equations of motion में हम ये assume कर रहे हैं कि we are taking a constant. We are taking a constant. Why we take it constant? It will later on I will discuss why we take a is to be constant. We call दूसरा नाम ऐसे भी है, it is uniformly accelerated body. Uniformly accelerated body इसको हम कहते हैं, जिसकी acceleration uniform होगी या constant होगी, it doesn't change with respect to time. This means a does not change with respect to time. Means that dA divided by dt is a rate of acceleration with respect to time is zero. Kinematic equations of motion में हम assume कर रहे हैं the body is in uniform acceleration. इसकी acceleration constant है. This means उसकी rate time से कितना वो change होगा. Differentiation means how much a changes when I change t. This means t I am changing t, but a doesn't change. This means that is zero. That is why a is known as a is what? Constant. A is constant. Let's take now first equations of this kinematic equation. तो अब आपको समझ आया बेटा कि जो kinematic equations है इनमें हम assume कर रहे हैं a is to be constant, और by using calculus method we use a tool, special tool, that is calculus in which we study differentiation and integration. Is it? Let's take first equations. Let's take first equations of motion. That is, first equation क्या है? First equation is u is equal to v is equal to u plus at. ये हमारे पास इक्वेशन है. Is it? While v क्या होती है बेटा? ये होती है फाइनल इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी या वेलोसिटी कह दो. Is it? Instantaneous means at any particular time. What is the velocity of that very body at that very point? That gives the instantaneous. Is it? It's a final velocity of a body, and u जो है बेटा ये initial velocity है. Initial velocity और जो a है ये आपको पता है यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. Is it? बेटा यहाँ पे गलती ये मत करना कि a अगर आपने नॉन यूनिफॉर्म लिखा है फिर ये इक्वेशंस वैलिड नहीं है. दिस इज ओनली वैलिड व्हेन a is to kept what? Uniform. Good. Uniform acceleration. Is it? T, you know, is the time. Is it? We assume initial time to be taken as zero. Is it? हम initial time क्या लेते हैं बेटा? Zero initial time. Is it? You can take also T naught. There is nothing like restrictions. Is it? देखो बेटा, तो ये इक्वेशन जो है a तो कांस्टेंट है, लेकिन तो what it gives us? V is velocity, u is also velocity, t is time. So this gives us the relationship between what? It's the velocity and time. We call this as velocity time relationship. Is that बेटा? तो जो ये इक्वेशन है ये हमें एक बॉडी का क्या क्या देता है बेटा? ये हमें देता है रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन किस किस का? वेलोसिटी और टाइम का. Is it? Let's take by taking what calculus. Let's find this v is equal to u plus at. Good. We know बेटा from the definition of instantaneous velocity, we can write v is equal to sorry, let's take acceleration. For this point, for this equation, we take acceleration. Is that beta? So acceleration किसके बराबर होती है? Instantaneous. It is a is equal to dv by dt. सर आपने बोला a constant doesn't mean a is zero. Is it? A zero नहीं है. A constant है. A constant, but rate of a with respect to time is zero. ये important है बेटा कि dA divided by dt zero है, ना कि a zero है. a क्या है बेटा? Constant है. That is uniform है. Is it? हाँ, तो a is equal to dv by dt is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. When velocity changes, there arises acceleration. If velocity doesn't change, acceleration becomes zero then. Is it? Let me take, let's rearrange this equation. It's a dt which is equal to dv. Is it? Let's take now integration. Let's take now integrate equation first on both sides. What I get? Integral of a dt which is equal to integral of dv. Is it? Now beta, now understand that जो ये acceleration है, जो ये integral है on this side, this is with respect to dt. This means this is with respect to time. Everything changes with respect to time. But we know that a doesn't change with respect to time. So this becomes constant. ये क्या बना बेटा? तो a क्या बनेगा? Constant बनेगा. तो ये क्या आएगा? बाहर आएगा, क्योंकि ये टाइम पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि ये कांस्टेंट है. कांस्टेंट doesn't depend on the time. तो a क्या आएगा? बाहर आएगा. अब यहां से देखो बेटा. Now t. This integral is with respect to t. So I should take the limit with respect to t. मुझे लिमिट लेनी है बेटा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू t. तो t की लिमिट क्या है? We take initial time as 0 and final time as t. You can take t naught as well. There is nothing like restriction, is it? But this is a velocity. Velocity changes to that initial velocity से जा रहा है और final velocity से. This is goes as initial velocity to final velocity. It is as simple as it is. Is it? Velocity. This integral is with respect to velocity. So it goes from initial to final velocity. Is it? तो आप जब भी आप लिमिट लगाओगे बेटा, तो यू शुड कंसीडर व्हाट दिस d टाइम्स क्या है. इज इट? अगर यहां पे d टाइम्स t है तो आई एम टेकिंग द लिमिट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. अगर यहां पे dv है, आई एम टेकिंग टू लिमिट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू v. इज इट? गुड बेटा. लेट्स फाइंड दिस. तो क्या आएगा? a बाहर आएगा बिकॉज़ a इज कांस्टेंट. तो क्या बचेगा? इंटीग्रल 0 टू t dt which is equal to what बेटा? अब यहाँ पे आपको पता है, यहाँ पे मैं v 0 भी लिख सकता हूँ. इज इट? तो आप डायरेक्ट याद रखो, तो ये कटता है अगर यहाँ पे कोई कुछ भी ना हो. इज इट? समझा हुआ बेटा? इट्स एज सिंपल एज इट इज. तो क्या आएगा? इट्स v देन अपर लिमिट टू लोअर लिमिट. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट दिस. जो मैंने ये सिखाया है कि लिमिट्स कैसे लगाते हैं. इट इज अ डेफिनिट इंटीग्रल. डेफिनिट बोले तो वी नो द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कर्व. इज इट? जो हमारे पास फंक्शन है उसकी में इंफॉर्मेशन है, व्हाइल इट स्टार्ट्स एंड व्हाइल इट एंड्स. दिस मींस दिस इज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, दिस इज एंडिंग पॉइंट. इज इट? गुड.